Good afternoon, third graders. Today for social science, you're going to do something I think you guys are really going to enjoy, and you're going to get to interview someone in your family. So you want to interview someone that's older than you. You can interview your mom, dad, grandmom, grandpop. You get to choose, but yeah, you'll get to interview them and talk about what the phones looked like back then or the computers. So here's how this is going to work. This form is going to be on our Google Classroom. So you're going to open this and you're going to be filling this out. So now you have to pick a form of transportation or communication. Okay, so you're only going to ask your family about cars or planes, computers, phones, or radios. You get to choose which one you want to use to answer questions. For example, when you were in third grade, what year was it? So once you interview them and ask that question, you'll type it up. What did the blank look like? So if I was interviewing my grandpa, I want to just talk about phones. So in that blank, I will add phones. So what do the phones look like back then? So you fill that blank in with phones because that's which one that's the one I want to work on. And then I'll type up my answer here. Then I'll ask my grandparent the next question. Why was and we're sticking with the same form of transportation or communication throughout the whole form. So why was the phone used? So I'll fill that in. I'll ask my question, and then I'll type up my answer. How is and again, what am I going to write here? Phone. Then I'm going to ask an adult, how is the phone different today? And whatever they say, I'm going to type it up. Why do you think and this would be phone, changed over time? And then I would type up their answer. Maybe you have other questions for your family member, for your adult at home. And you can, if you want to think of another question to ask, you can surely ask them another question. And then you will just type your other questions down here with the answers. Okay, so again, remember you're choosing one of these. You're choosing cars, or planes, or computers, or phones, or radios. Okay, and you're picking one and you're asking your adult, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, questions and typing up the answers, okay, on this form. Well, I think you guys will enjoy this, and I think it'll be a good conversation between you and your family members, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope you learn. I hope you learn a lot about what it might have looked like when your parents were your age, okay? All right, friends. I will see you tomorrow, and have a great afternoon.